We're at the Rancho de los Caballeros Rancho Resort. And basically, this is going to be your front office when you pull up in the Circle Drive, and where you're going to check into registration. So let's go on in. Off to the side, you got the pool area. So we'll walk by that here a little later. Here we got your front lobby where you get checked in. Great staff working around here. How you doing? Got a little pool table for recreation for later. If you want to come in and relax, just play some pool. Gets used a lot. There's a living room sitting area. A very nice fireplace for those cold nights. A little area for books if you want to do some reading. This little back area, they'll have games and little board games over there off to the side, so plenty to do around here. Take you a walk through here. We're going to go back to the dining area. They do have assigned dining time, so keep that in mind when you're here for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This will be the main dining area. They do have another dining option at the golf clubhouse, so plenty of room. So we'll do a quick walkthrough. This will be here for dinner. This section here they set up for buffets for breakfast and lunch, which was great today. Of course, got the pool out there. This is the bar area. Great place to get a drink before or after dinner. They had live music last night, so they have live music in here as well. This section overlooks the playground area for the kids and the tennis courts. So you play tennis, pickleball, have everything set up for you out there. Get a shot. How you doing? Good. That's the bar, of course. Huh? Would you follow you? And we'll be back to this place. We'll be back to the bar later tonight. So now we're going to go through out to the pool area, out by the pool. And we pause it while we say hi to everybody. Yep. And out to the pool area, say some hi to some family here. Nice large pool area. Basically, everybody comes out here and have lunch and breakfast and eats and drinks. And
I think I heard for the story, but I want to hear it.
we'll be back, guys. All right, going to go back through the living room area and going to go out towards the back here. I like the little rabbits they had sitting over there. See them? That's dead. All right. Back in this area, they have a large green event space here. And of course, this is where all the cabins and rooms will be starting. Over here on the side, back on the side of the main building, they do have a small area for ice and to do laundry, which is nice for us since we're on a 12-day road trip. Very beautiful landscaping out here too.
Got birds during the day and rabbits everywhere at night. And they also have different size rooms. Anywhere from a basic king room, which is a separate video that's featured on our channel, to two-bedroom suites.
And our channel is Destinations by Del Castillo. I should have mentioned that off the start, but yeah, there's a little section here. You got the vending machine, ice machine, washer dryer, a little vending machine if you need it. So and we're going out towards the north part of the resort. And up here you're going to have the golf course. It's going to be in this area. You're also going to have the corral where the horses are during season.
So basically, within walking distance, you can walk in that direction to the golf club.
And you can see the golf club there in the center of the picture up on the hill. You go play some golf. It's all with the resort. It's all part of the resort. It's a 20,000 acre resort.
It's the only other eating venue at the resort besides the main restaurant.
Yep. We'll go over here and walk by the corral so you can see the quick look at the horses. And they have nature centers. They have kids activities. The nieces all went to kids camp this morning till like 1 p.m. They all had a great time.
Which is that building straight ahead.
Yep, straight ahead
That's
of us.
the kids camp for children under 8. And we've heard that there's an ownership change in the resort and that there may be some changes. So if you see anything on this video that's really important to you, that it's the same way for when you book to be here, double check with the resort and make sure that those changes have or have not been made. The resort also closes in the heat of the Arizona summer.
Yep. And that's when the ownership will be taking place. So next season it'll be under new ownership. And we heard is basically the owners of the houses around here, they did not want a major developer coming in and changing things. So they all got together, purchased the land, purchased the property, and just want to make some few minor changes and pretty much kind of keep it the same is what we've heard. So be interesting to see it next year.
So we're going to have to be quiet now because we're coming up on a penning writing class. We'll catch a little of it on video.
Yeah.
They also have some conference rooms down here as well, and event spaces.
And they have horseback riding during the day. And again, they have penning right now. And we'll watch a little bit of this, get a little video of this for you.
All right, everybody heard me okay, I guess. All right, we got like 4 teams today. The option of this sport, if you will, is to go up there. We're going to get some cows out here in a minute to get 4 of those cows up, or 3, excuse me, 3 of the cows up there in the pen. I'm not going to comment on that. We're going to get 3 cows up on the containment unit. That's better, right?
This smells great, by the way.
We'll have 2 rounds of 4 minutes, and we'll do what we call a lightning round, which will have 2 minutes to get 1 cow. Now, we don't allow any loping in this event. It's trotting. You trot a little bit. Issa and Andrew will be your coaches. And listen to them. And do we have a flagger? Okay, no problem. No problem. All right. Thank y'all for coming and spending some time with us here at Rancho de los Caballeros. It's the 73rd year for us here. Not me, but the owner, Mr. Rusty Gant. 74th season coming up, so another season after that will be our 75th anniversary. Now we got a bunch of cows out here that have a what we call upset bovine disorder. You got to watch them. They're a bad bunch. They'll hook you there. They all got horns, you see, pretty much. Oh, they left a... Did y'all leave little Blackie up there in the pen by herself? She is kind of standing around and looks anyhow. You can't make her move any. Now you got 4 minutes to get 3 of these cows up there. The mobilization and containment of the bovine species. And they will be going east, not west. Uh-oh, look out. We got a bad cow there. Kind of horned in on his business there just a little bit, didn't he? Come on, guy, move. We all got to go. All right. Team number 1, if y'all like to have a name, let me know. We'll do something. Our musical interludes today will be brought to you by 96.3 Real Country, located here in beautiful downtown Wickenburg, Arizona. Well, almost downtown. It's right across from the Maverick there. Oh, I guess somebody's lonely out there. Y'all know how to call a cow? Anybody got their cell phone numbers? We did set the CPSs on them for within 3 feet of the pen up there. A CPS, if you're not familiar with that, it's a cow positioning system. Y'all got all that? The cow positioning system. Same way we get the horses home, HPSs. Horse positioning systems. All right, looks like when the last one crosses that line, Bart will drop the flag. I'll start the time and we'll be off. And well, the cows are already going that way. They done this last week. Oh, your time has started. So all the cows said, okay, guys, let's go the other way here. We got this. Let's all go in there and see what happens. Same thing we done last Friday. It seems like they kind of know what's going on here.
I'll run back.
Huh?
In front of you. Oh, so this
There
is
we go.
team 1.
All right, we're going to get going now.
That was a lot of fun that you guys got to see some of their penning classes. So,
Walk through here.
so they have the penning classes and they also have trail riding
All right, we're going to get a time of 50 seconds.
and skeet shooting. It's a true dude ranch, and because it's in Arizona, it does close during the summertime, and that's when they haul all their horses and cattle up to Montana to spend the summer.
Good job, everybody. Good job.
And if you just really need to relax, they also do have a spa on the other side of the property.
These are some of the event spaces and conference rooms you can use.
And again, it's just a great staff around here, very helpful. If you need anything, all you have to do is ask, and they will definitely get it done for you. So, is that it?
Yeah, only I would just mention that when you walk out of the main lobby, if you were to go straight, I believe south, you hit their spa, which is kind of tucked away from the resort, so it's nice and quiet, and they really do have first-class spa services. And now we're heading back up to where we started.
So, if you guys have any questions or comments, please let us know. Subscribe and like. We have more content every day, or not every day, but
As often
every
as
trip.
possible. We'll have a lot more coming soon because our road trip will be done in another week. And thanks for watching another video by Destinations by Del Castillo.
Thank you.